In a town of fewer than 3,000 people, a company in Warner, New Hampshire designs and manufactures technology used around the world made to keep you safe. Every day, MadgeTech data loggers help protect pharmaceuticals, ensure food and drink safety, support manufacturing processes, advance aerospace innovation, and validate critical environments in over 100 countries. But the story started right here in Warner. Founder Norm Carlson grew up in Warner, and as a student at Kearsarge Regional Middle School, a teacher sparked his interest in mathematics and engineering, which set him on a path that would eventually lead to degrees in physics and electrical engineering. After working in the engineering field and developing products for major companies, Norm began pursuing an idea that would eventually become MadgeTech. In the mid-90s, Norm spent countless evenings in his basement designing hardware, writing software, and building prototypes by hand. Using a computer purchased with an inheritance from his great-aunt Madge, he created the first designs for what would become MadgeTech, and the company was named in her honor. In 1996, after years of working long nights and weekends, the first MadgeTech products were out the door. He was the engineer, assembler, shipper, salesperson, and customer service representative all in one. Now 30 years later, MadgeTech is creating even more products to help customers answer a simple but critical question: what happened? Our data loggers measure and record temperature, humidity, pressure, shock, and other environmental conditions. They help pharmaceutical companies protect life-saving medication. They help food manufacturers ensure products are safe to consume. They help engineers, scientists, and quality professionals make informed decisions based on reliable data. And while our products travel the world, our roots remain here in Warner. Keeping the company and the community where he grew up was always important to Norm. More than a manufacturing company, MadgeTech is a team of engineers, technicians, machinists, assemblers, software developers, sales professionals, marketers, and support staff working together to create products we're proud of. We are neighbors, volunteers, parents, and community members. Yet the goal remains the same: build great products, be a great employer, continue innovating, and stay true to the values that started it all. Welcome to MadgeTech.